Random picture, she pretty on any side. Mama swallow, skin clean, thick ties. Blush bright, so me now my choice. Well.
And today I'm coming to you with a video that was requested from time, and I just didn't get around to doing it. So I thought today is a perfect day to do it. I am coming to you with an eyebrow tutorial for people who struggle with shaping the eyebrow how you want it to be shaped. A lot of people always say when they're shaping the eyebrow or filling it in, you know, with the pencil or the powder, whatever you use, you are having difficulty getting the shape that you want it to be at the end. So you're having difficulty with getting the right shape while filling it in. And I always say to people, like, when you're filling it in, honey, don't worry about the shape. Just make sure that you are getting all the spaces filled in correctly. I worry about the shape when the concealer comes into play. That's after the filling in and shading and whatever goes on. And some people always disagree with me, and some people will be like, well, no, it makes it more difficult. Today's video, I'm putting my action where my words were. So I am showing you how you can be erratic. I mean, you're gonna see in the video, honey, in a bit, how we were able to get these from something that was unrecognizable. I mean, you're gonna see. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for the person who requested it, for the person who sent it in to say, Ro, get us a video where we can see how you do your brows, this is for you. It's a bit exaggerated simply because of the purpose of my message. I wanted you guys to realize that you don't need to worry about the end product while you're filling it in. I hope that this channel shows you that the makeup is art. Makeup is messy and it's beautiful, but the end product, you can snatch it up, honey. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. So I'm starting off by priming my face, and I'm just gonna take the primer and rub all over. So that was the Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Next we're gonna go in with PS, so you seeing? PS Brow Powder. Cool. Gotta get them right, baby boy. Literally go like that. Like that. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. Woo. Oh my god. Don't look at the shade now, honey. Do the same thing over here. Body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Dip again.
When you say dip again, there's nothing complain. Then your back skip your foot and then you dip grab up your chain. So we must be born with it in our vein. When thing a dip in a the plane. When the one that jump in the world, never be the same. Dance and get nice and get a weed them and play.
Then dip again.
Drop one beat and do it long like here. Then someone a say that one you try to get seen. And them come like a runaway train. Everybody a dip again and dip till them foot sprain. Dip again, walk to shade. Everybody want try to dip again campaign.
And I'm going to show you why this step is not that important. And I'm being honest. And I know this contradicts what other beauty influencers would say. But honey, that's the truth. This little step right here, all you got to do is make sure that your brows are filled in, Bubby. Because you don't want no spaces in between, nothing. You want it to be filled in. The most important step for me in your brow routine is where the concealer is concerned, because concealer, darling, works magic. And don't get it twisted, I don't do this every single day. This is not like something that I get up and just be doing up my messy eyebrows. I'm just showing you. People always say, oh, I don't get my brows right because I can't shape it right. And I say, honey, you don't have to worry about the shaping bits. The shaping bit is a madness. You can literally do this and then come back from it, okay? So don't worry about that. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Brush it up. Brush it up. It's still mad. Alright? Don't worry about it. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I use the shade Fawn. Right? Bear in mind, look at how my brows are. Look what I wanna. It's madness, yeah? You're gonna squeeze this up. I'm hurrying because I've got someone on the way to pick me up. And okay. So I squeeze it up here. Some people just go in with the applicator like this. I don't do that because I just think it's not me, not gonna lie to you. And I go in with an angled brush. As you can see, that is an angled brush, yeah? And I put enough product on it. And then this is where the most important bit for me is. I'm gonna make sure that this mad looking craziness shave like a god, sonny. So we gonna go in and see, I'm up close and personal, so nobody can say raw. Nobody can say raw. You did not show me. Okay. Take yasa. I'll go so boom. Okay, down so. Boom. And then we use the excess we leave. You see them look here there? The little part that we did look kind of blackish. We'll come back down. And we'll just make sure that it's all even. So nobody would know that I'm taking my brow from this to this because it look nice. Still, yeah? Nobody now goes to say, oh my god, she did a whole lot of madness underneath. No, because it does not show. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna make my brow a bit thicker. So what to do that, I'm gonna go back in with my brow powder, the same brow powder that I was using. And you see up top here, so I'll carry it up a little bit, about the arches, up where the arches, and I'm gonna fill it in just a little bit more, and I'm gonna fill down also in a little bit more, cause I want my brow to be a bit thicker, okay? But obviously, you shape your brow to your desired shape in it. Like me, like my little arch. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. We'll go back again. We start to the next side quick and fast. Anything you do to one side, you do it to the next side. Quick and fast. Yeah? Angled brush. Boom. Yeah? Yeah? And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with this side over here as well. I'm gonna go in with more powder because I want my brows to be thicker at the top. I'm gonna go in with the same powder. I'm gonna dip it and go up here so, and fill in here so, and yeah. All right. So we are now. So we are. All right. Fill in this so. Fill in this so. Come back around so. Feel like a bit of the front here so you know look pitchy patchy woochy, you get me I say? Alright. Not afraid to go back, you know, when you do your makeup, don't be scared to go back, darling. You're not forget, you know, one diggy go, so not afraid to go back, my love. Yeah? Alright, so make sure so the front part of everything match up together. You get me the two brows them, so yeah. So we are now, so we are. Alright. Boom boom. Alright, so you see on this neat, I saw you get the top part neat too. So you're not gonna know say the man this order so a while ago we did do. Alright. First thing first, we dip it back in our LA Girl Pro Conceal, Fawn, or whatever concealer that you're using, right? We take the angled side. Come now, look what you have on top of so now. Oh, by the way, like for this, Fawn kind of matches my shade. It's not that much lighter than me, but for anybody who said they're using like some people like under used to be extra highlighted, so they might go in with a very light concealer up at the top to make it more natural. You can use your foundation or that shade like less down. With me, I'm gonna go back in the same Fawn because as me say, too lighter than my skin. You get me? I say boom boom. All right, cool. Now so we take the brush, yeah, we dip it back in the Fawn. It's full of product now, boom, and we'll go back. So now yeah, see the big difference already? Yeah, I'll just make sure I say yeah, remember somebody wanted thick. All right, thick I wanted, thick I got. All right. I just use my finger and kind of even out the concealer up top. Yeah. I feel like a couple people forget your finger is a good makeup utensil, yeah man. Next side now. Hold on, just gotta go spot away so. Just go. And I'm not nothing to do with the brow, but just go cover that up. Yeah? Brow palm point. Nobody can tell us you never know for shape, bro. All you need to do. And when the concealer time come, you snatch with the concealer. If you didn't know this before, Row just tell you something. When you fill it in, you don't need to shape it exactly how you want it. It's not meant to be the final product. If you fill it in the brow and you realize, say, oh, look like I want to look. Don't worry about it, love. Make sure you fill it in so there are no spaces in between the hairs on your eyebrow, yeah? And that's it. Because when the concealer come into play, love, you don't see the magic we do. Okay? So now your brow them look snatched. All you gotta do now is snatch your face. And that's gonna be another video. This video was solely dedicated to the brows. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. And I'll see you in another video. So yeah, as I said, I just want to reiterate that anybody can do makeup. I didn't go to class. I'm a self-taught makeup artist. You know what I use? YouTube. I watch a lot of videos and I practice a lot. And I found what works for me. I used to try to get my brow shape exactly how I wanted it when I was filling it in. And that was a common misconception that was going around, that you needed to make sure that you get this shape right from filling. You don't. Because as you can see, nobody now gonna know, say, whatever you just saw was how we started to get these. No. If you're one of those persons who was not able to get it from beginning, relax. You're good. Your concealer and your angled brush got you, boo. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Thank you for sending in your requests. Please do subscribe. Please do watch and share and like and drop your comments. And we are changing to hashtag SBR Nation, guys. So please comment hashtag SBR Nation in the comment section for a shout out in my other video, alright? And I'll see you in a bit.
Yellow moon, yeah. Bounce to me now. Let's just stand up on the ground for me now. Bounce to me now.